This was a TikTok I posted last year that went semi-viral of me trying to DIY something, but it left a mess on our wall for so long and we just ignored it. Finally, one day, I woke up to this.
Kung tatanggal,
Linisin niya namin, ha?
kaya ako nahirapan magdikit kasi curve siya na wall. Oh
Yung toothbrush na.
no, ba't ganun yung brush? Kulang nilagay mo kaya ganyan siya.
Yeah.
Put more.
Second day.
Yay! Yeah, it needs a second coat. Thank you, love. Wow! Biceps. Ano ba yan? Tricep? Okay.
Dalawang shots.
That's so good. Hihi, naglalaba siya. Ang toga. Actually, ako talaga yung naglaba. Siya lang magsasampay kasi mabigat.
I just wanna go out and walk with you. Baby, you know I just like to talk with you. You don't have to tell me anything that's new. I just wanna go out and walk with you. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine, sailing over pavement with our two outlines. I like to see the shape you're in from time to time. I just wanna see your shadow next to mine. I just wanna see the same things you can see, understand the meaning on a new degree. Maybe that could happen when you're next to me. I just wanna see the same things you can see.
Big espresso
Espresso machine? Anong espresso machine?
Kaka daw.
Wow! 300 lang?
Local kasi ang expensive. Local beans.
Paras ka ba ng binilhan nito? Or iba to? Paras lang. Magkano to?
120.
Dalawa na.
No.
120 isa? Kasi espresso na.
Grab driver sa gabi.
Driver.
Dami. So, ayun siya yun.
Tapos, tatlong crispy chicken sandwich. Wala po. A la carte na.
A la carte na 1 piece chicken.
Ako po? Ay, 26. 926. Akala ko may 26. Bingi. Where's your milk?
Next window? Di pa?
Okay, okay na ma. Thank you. Because we want to greet people. Greet people. May gusto ka?
Yan.
Greet people. Say hi, can I have some fries po? Yung tsura nung... What are they doing? They are working at night.
Hindi pong patatas.
Narin po sa
Newly up po. Sabihin mo, newly up.
Buboy.
Plain Sunday also.
Plain Sunday lang.
No caramel.
Oh, tingnan tayo.
Wala ba?
Ay!
Oh, yun na.
Thank you po. Cute naman nila dito.
Thank you po.
Ayun, tuwa-tuwa.